can taste the color of the light. The
Take one of those and two of these, then watch the walls begin to breathe. I can taste the color of the lights. Wings are growing out of me, the floor is floating underneath. I can see the future burning bright. Future burning bright. The ceiling has us mesmerized, it feels like we could never die. Heading for the dark side of the moon. As we lift up into the sky, invincible and so alive. 10 feet tall and fucking bulletproof. Insanity is setting in, reality is getting thin. The universe just started slowing down. Yet suddenly we're traveling a million miles an hour. A million miles an hour. We're going a million miles an hour. A million miles an hour. When shadows all start breaking free, no longer held by gravity. Speaking to the galaxy, received and sending back to me. I can finally hear the speed of sound. The speed of fucking sound. I like this everlasting pill, cause time itself is standing still. Why is the room still spinning just the same? Turn off your phone so no one calls, cause you and I are tripping balls. I can still hear ringing in my brain. Insanity is setting in, reality is getting thin. See no signs of ever coming down. Yet suddenly we're traveling a million miles an hour. A million miles an hour. We're going a million miles an hour. A million miles an hour. A million miles an hour. Insanity is setting in, reality is getting thin. Particles are dancing all around. I can't deny the hardest thing for me is finding time to finally breathe. See no signs of ever coming down.